Retro.
Sometimes do you ever just like look down like, oh shit, I forgot to put on my seatbelt?
Put on your what? Your seatbelt?
Yeah.
Dude, I was just thinking that. What the
Dude.
fuck? I was, but I was like at the gas station. Like, before we left, I was like, I was like, wait, what the fuck? I was like, am I missing something? My seatbelt? Dude, that's funny, man. I was just thinking that.
There's a car coming. Couple bikes.
No, homie. Oh, bagger bros.
That guy was cool. Thank you, Porsche.
He was cool. No, I've never seen anyone do that. That was like the first one, I feel like.
Immigration? Oh shit. Oh. Can I turn around? Can I turn around? Yeah.
Gotta go to the next road.
Oh, okay. Okay. Am I in Mexico? The hell? Where am I?
Hello?
Hello? Hey, where you at?
Sounds like you're coming from another interstellar.
Dude, I thought... Here, I'm gonna
keep
pull...
going. No, keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay. Dude, I thought I fucking went into Mexico for a second there. I was like, I thought that was a border crossing.
Oh my god. Oh, that's fucking
Dude, I was like, I asked the dude, I was like, can I turn around here?
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's fucking funny, dude.
I was like, oh shit. Am I going through fucking Mexico? Like, oh no.
Yo, that's fucking funny, man.
Oh man. That scared the shit out of me at first. I was like seeing these guys with fucking drug dogs and shit. I was like, oh. I was like, I don't have anything, so I'm not worried about it.
Oh yeah, that's fucking funny, dude. Holy shit. Well, I've never gone through that way before. Like, I've gone the opposite way, but never this way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that gravel back there slowed me way down.
Dude, it was so sketch, man. The gravel in the middle and shit.
Yep. It's like made through the turns even sketchier.
Yep. Dude, it's like it's either you're on the left side or the right side of the turn. You know,
Yep.
it's just, if you're on the left side, you may be too close to the opposite rider. Or the, yeah.
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 Oh, he was. Give me a thumbs up on my bike.
Oh, who was?
That guy in the car.
Oh.
We gotta put on a little show then. So we can get out of
Yeah.
If we can get out of traffic.
Yeah, you got to, man.
Yeah, give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, you gotta rev your engine, bro. The only thumbs up I get from like 80-year-old guys on my bike. That's it.
That's okay. He's like, oh man, I used to have a bike just like that.
Yeah, dude. You know, after we split off last weekend,
Yeah.
I went to Lucha Libre off of Washington Street, and right when I parked, there was like this fucking 90-year-old guy was like, I used to have one of those. How the fuck did I know you were gonna say that?
That's fucking funny. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna be able to make that.
Alright.
Oh, there's Crack Boy behind me.
We're gonna make a ride at Cardo Boulevard. Or whatever,
Okay.
whatever it is. Actually, no, one more. Not this one.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to.
Avocado
get over.
Boulevard, Alhambra Road. Yeah, whatever this thing is. But yeah, I was like, how the, like, the moment that I parked, he was already eyeing my bike. I'm like, I bet you $100 fucking bucks. This old guy is like, I used to have one of those. And lo and behold, that's what he fucking said.
Alright guys, well, thank you for coming on this ride. I thought we accidentally rode through Mexico, so I'm an idiot for that one, but thanks again. I always love doing these videos. I really hope my buddy's audio came in pretty clear. I've been trying to mess with that for days now, and it's so annoying, but got an external recorder now to record just that and then layer it over later on. So anyways guys, as always, this is the Fro. See you guys later.